What's up, my YouTube fans, friends, and family? It's your boy Ed Murray out here, Murray Mini Motors, back again. Another sunshiny day out here. Yup, nice day. See what we got a handy day for y'all out here. We got ourselves a Tao Tao or a Tao Tao, whatever you want to call them, pit bike, and chain came on. So we'll check it out right here. But quick rundown. Yeah, got a new battery put in there since. Got him up here on the stand. Not too bad. I did do some carburetor work on here before. I wish I got the video to show you guys. He let it sit out over the winter, so she needed a little cleaning up this spring. And now the chain has broke on him. So this is the problem at hand. I don't know where the chain is. Got lost, so I'm actually in the process of putting on a new one. You got it snaked around. You can see right here, I've already cut it here, the access chain off. I'm not sure if you can tell too much. Kind of hard to tell with the, but yeah, I used a good old grinder on there. Grinded the links off that was short. I had the master link here. Which try to have him set up. Tell you what, man, this chain I got came in is actually pretty well lubed up already. So I'm going to see if we can hook up the master link here. Okay. There you have it. Not sure you can tell in here we are mounted. I lined it up earlier with the master links. Put it on there and kind of put it on like a bicycle tire, you know, halfway on the sprocket, and then you rotate the back wheel and she pretty much snapped on there. Got some pretty good play. Maybe could be loosened a little bit. You know, it's a new chain, so once it gets worn in, it will give some play, stretch out a little bit on itself. So yeah, basically all you would need. I use these channel locks here. I held on the vice grip, sorry about that. I held onto the cable, the chain as I grinded it. Screwdriver to pop out the clips. And the side part here for the link. I think I used this here too, so. There it is, guys, right there. It's your boy Ed Murray. Showing y'all how to put together a little chain on a pit bike. Basically all the same way. Yeah, see a little sweat coming in for you guys. A hot one, like I told you, I put the work in for you guys, man. So I hope you enjoy. You comment down below. Stay tuned. Hit the notification bell like we do a few times, just in case you missed on the first one, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna take this thing for a little test run, and hopefully it works out right. But yeah, that's how you put a chain on your pit bike. Not too hard, not too fast. A few minutes, you got yourself a grinding wheel. You line up the new one, which where your links match up. Grind it out and put yourself a master link. And you're back to going. You know, you have your chain adjuster down here on this side, and you have another one over here if need to be. So after a couple of laps or so, I'll test this thing out. I'll check the chain out, and see if she needs to be tightened up or loosened up. Well, that's it, guys. Stay tuned, man. Like I said, spread the word out here. Much love. Comment down below. Hit that like button also. I appreciate you guys, man. I really do love the love. Spread the word, man. Peace.